Step back in time to explore the captivating allure and hidden dangers of ancient Egyptian cosmetics. Uncover the secrets behind their beauty rituals, where cosmetics weren't just adornments, but potent concoctions, from kohl-lined eyes to fragrant oils. Discover how these ancient beautifiers held both aesthetic appeal and potential peril. Join us on a journey through history as we delve into the lethal ingredients lurking within the vanity of the past. Subscribe to our channel to embark on more fascinating journeys into the mysteries of ancient civilizations. Deadly beauty, the toxic cosmetics of ancient Egypt. In Ancient Egyptian Beauty Secrets, deadly ingredients revealed, we delve into the hidden dangers lurking within the cosmetic rituals of ancient Egypt. While renowned for their beauty practices, including the iconic kohl eyeliner and rich ointments, recent research unveils the perilous substances they incorporated. Lead-based eye makeup, arsenic-laced pigments, and other toxic compounds were commonplace, contributing to both beauty and harm. This exploration sheds light on the intricate balance between allure and danger in ancient Egyptian cosmetics, offering the cautionary tale about the lengths people have historically gone to in pursuit of beauty. Fatal allure, the dark side of ancient Egyptian cosmetics. Ancient Egyptian cosmetics were renowned for their transformative powers, yet beneath their alluring facade lurked a perilous secret. While these cosmetics enhance beauty, they often contain toxic substances like lead and arsenic. Lead-based kohl used to outline the eyes could lead to lead poisoning with prolonged use. Arsenic, found in green eye makeup, was similarly hazardous. Despite the risks, these beauty practices persisted, demonstrating the lengths to which ancient Egyptians would go for the sake of beauty. Fatal allure unveils the hidden dangers behind the captivating charm of ancient Egyptian cosmetics. Toxic charms, beauty and poison in ancient Egypt. Ancient Egyptians were renowned for their intricate beauty rituals, but lurking beneath the allure of their cosmetics were hidden dangers. Toxic charms explores the paradox of beauty and poison intertwined in their makeup. Lead-based kohl, used to outline eyes, contained toxic levels that could lead to lead poisoning. Other cosmetics like ceruse, a white pigment, contain lead carbonate, causing skin damage and neurological issues. Despite these risks, Egyptians considered beauty paramount, even at the cost of health. This duality, allure and peril, sheds light on the complex relationship between beauty standards and health in ancient civilizations. Deadly glamour, the hazards of ancient Egyptian makeup. Ancient Egypt's quest for beauty often came at a perilous price, as revealed by the toxic concoctions found in their makeup. Deadly glamour sheds light on the hidden dangers lurking beneath the alluring facade of ancient Egyptian cosmetics. While these products promise to enhance beauty, they often contain harmful ingredients such as lead, arsenic, and copper, leading to severe health consequences for those who adorn themselves with them. This title encapsulates the allure of beauty juxtaposed with the hidden hazards, highlighting the deadly consequences of the cosmetics used in ancient Egyptian society. Lethal elegance, ancient Egyptian beauty dangers. In ancient Egypt, beauty came with hidden risks. The title Lethal Elegance captures the paradox of beauty intertwined with danger. Egyptian cosmetics, while enhancing allure, often contain toxic substances like lead and copper. These ingredients, while achieving desired aesthetics, posed significant health hazards. The phrase ancient Egyptian beauty dangers underscores the peril lurking beneath the surface of seemingly harmless beauty practices. Despite the allure of elegance, the ancient Egyptians unknowingly subjected themselves to the risks of toxicity, highlighting the complex relationship between beauty and health in ancient civilizations. Egypt's poison preyiness, toxic cosmetics. Ancient Egypt's quest for beauty came with a dangerous twist. Egypt's poison preyiness, toxic cosmetics, delves into the dark allure of their makeup rituals. Egyptians valued beauty, yet their cosmetics were often laced with toxic substances like lead and mercury. These ingredients, while enhancing appearance, also posed serious health risks, leading to skin damage, blindness, and even death. Despite the dangers, the desire for beauty prevailed, showcasing a fascinating yet perilous aspect of ancient Egyptian culture. This title serves as a stark reminder of the price paid for aesthetic perfection in antiquity. As we peel back the layers of history, we uncover the captivating allure of ancient Egypt's cosmetics, a deadly beauty that masked deeper complexities. From kohl-lined eyes to ruby-red lips, Their cosmetic rituals held both mystique and danger. Join us on this journey through time, exploring the toxic secrets hidden within the vanity of Egypt elite. As we delve into the past, let's remember to subscribe to our channel for more intriguing insights into the enigmatic realms of history. Uncover the beauty, but tread carefully, for sometimes, even the most alluring secrets can be perilous.